Hey guys, I'm here with a basic video for beginners and I will be explaining how to use striping tapes for nail art. So please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. So the striping tapes come in a pack of 20 like this, and the price written here is $4.40, but usually you will get it at a much lower price in Flipkart or Amazon or eBay or shopping sites like that. There are a lot of sellers even selling the same thing, and also a few sellers will club it together with nail art brushes and dotting tools, so you can get an entire full set in a very reasonable price. So I'll open the package right now, and this is how the individual tips look. Each one of them have been packed in tiny plastic packets. So there are 10 different colors over here with the 2 reels for each of the colors, and I don't think you can choose what colors you get because they usually show a picture and send you a different thing. So it just depends on your luck whatever color you are getting, and they're not really packaged in a planned manner like that. So I'll show you what colors are in here in this packet. I see some silvers, magenta, copper, green and white in this entire package. That's not really a great variety to say, so maybe they could have provided a better variety of colors, maybe 20 different colors. I don't think I'm asking for too much. Now let's take a closer look and see how we can use them. So each packet has a single reel, and these are usually a millimeter wide, as you can see in this clip. Going by the look of it, I think each reel contains enough of the tape. Now the starting point of the tape has been nicely marked with this tiny bit of white paper, and it's quite easy to pull it and use it. Now you will need a scissor or a nail clipper, the smaller the better, for doing nail art with nail art strips, and make sure your nail polish base is completely dry and it's smooth and free of any ridges or gloopiness, so that the base is perfectly and smoothly ready for applying the nail art strips. So this is how you apply the nail art strips. At first it can be a bit tricky to do it alone, but you will get the hang of it. It's better if you have tweezers for the ease of application process, and I think the adhesive quality of these nail art strips is quite good. And after that you have applied and happy with their precision, you have to cut the excess with a nail clipper or a scissor, but be careful so that you do not cut off your nails. So I applied a few more strips, and you can see how easily a simple nail polish can be converted to such a glamorous one using just nail art strips. Now on this nail I am applying another type of striping tape, but you can also apply these tapes by cutting them beforehand, but that might lead to a wastage because you might not be able to estimate the length you need. So that's why I am applying it like this, but obviously if you feel like you can cut it beforehand and apply it, and maybe that will be a bit easier to apply. Now gently press the tape on place with your fingertips so that it's secure and doesn't fall off, and you're almost at the end of it. So you have to finally apply a good amount of top coat because the adhesive part of the tape might reduce with time, and with contact with water or oil that's bound to happen on your fingernails. So you just apply a good amount of top coat to secure everything in place and seal your nail art. And you can leave it here, but also you can do another thing using striping tapes, and that's what I am doing over here. You can use the tapes as a guide to fill in the inside or the outside of that boundary using another color of nail polish, and that will create a smooth and neat geometric design. Now pull up the tapes before the polish dries, and this step is very important, and please do this very gently, otherwise the entire nail art will get totally messed up. So here is how the final design will look. You can choose to do any design you like stripes, thin stripes, thicker stripes, or any other geometric design using striping tapes. Now what about the tapes that you just pulled out? Can you reuse them? Maybe yes, if the adhesive power is still strong, but probably it has already become dirty on application of nail polish. But if it's clean, I think you can still use it using a good amount of top coat. Or maybe you can preserve them carefully if you want to use them as guides for the next nail art. So that was it for today's video on review of nail art strips and how to use them. Hope you guys are helped by this. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos so that you guys are helped during your journey in nail art. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment your thoughts, and share this video as much as you can. So I'll see you super soon with more videos. Take care and bye bye.